What's going on, you guys? My name is Hartley, and in this video I'm going to walk you through my Discord chat. I know I mention it in almost all of my videos, so here I'm going to pull back the curtain and show you why you may want to consider using it as a tool to improve your trading. Here's everything you need to know. Let's go. Okay, so first of all, we are going to start with what is my Discord chat. I'm actually going to pull it up and I'm going to walk you through the different sections, and then number two, we are going to talk about why I started it and are we fulfilling that mission of why I started it, and lastly, we are going to talk about how to sign up for it. There's two different options, but they do take kind of one or two steps, so I'm going to walk you through everything you need to know, starting with what is it. Now, Discord is basically, really simply, it is a group chat. Now you can divide that chat into different sections, so day trading, swing trading, and long-term investing, for instance, and it's basically somewhere that I share my weekly watch list as well as all of my technical analysis. So anytime that I go into my basically investing accounts and I draw out a chart, or I see an opportunity, or I see, hey guys, this is something that you might want to take note of, I post it into my Discord chat, which is literally the group chat, so that everybody else can see it. And so basically what I'm trying to do is I'm trying to share my analysis with everybody else, so that if somebody misses it or is looking for opportunities or is looking for trading ideas, they can basically go to my analysis, they can see what I think, they can make their own decision and do their own due diligence and say, yeah, I agree with him, I don't agree with him, and then they can make their own trades from there. What I'm trying to build here is a community of traders where everybody wants to help each other out. So if you have questions, if you have trade ideas, if you need resources, if you just want to learn a little bit more, this is somewhere that you can go to ask questions and to basically find the answers and find some different ideas for how you may want to improve your strategy, your trading, or how you set up and get ready to trade. This is the community that I'm trying to build. And so there's a list of different resources in there that I have found. There's also a ton of other people that are posting different resources, even other YouTube channels in my Discord chat. I fully support it. I want to share as much information as we can in there, and I want it to be an area where anybody can post resources and trading content to help everybody else. Even if it's another YouTuber, there's a lot of other videos in there, so there's tons of content. Now, what I want to do here is just walk you through exactly what the Discord chat is, so let's get into it. Okay, so this is what the Discord chat basically looks like from my view. Now on the right hand side, you can see there's 27 people online right now, and there's 106 people offline right now. Now I only started this back in October. It's the end of November right now, so about 2 months in, and we've got 120 people in here. Really, really great start so far, and thank you to everybody that has joined. I sincerely appreciate all of the support. Now, the middle section here is where you can kind of find all of the chat and basically where everybody is entering in, and this is just kind of the general thread. At least some people share different announcements. This person shares the earnings that are upcoming every week. I share a lot of my notes and my comments, and this is just kind of the general chat. And then on the left hand side here, there's a bunch of different channels. So these top four are kind of ones that I curate here. So the resources here, if you go up, these are a list of all the different trading resources that I use in my own personal trading. This is my watch list. So as you can see here, if you go down, I actually post my entire watch list, including the video. And then right here is the Excel sheet that you can download, and this is my actual watch list that I create every Friday or Saturday, and I post it in this chat first. And then if you go down one more chat here, there's a spreadsheet that you can download, and this is actually all of my financial and fundamental analysis between the different companies. I post videos on this all the time, but basically these are different resources that you can download to basically get all of my analysis, all of my spreadsheets, all of my comparisons, and it's totally available to anybody in the chat. And then when you go down here, we've got a couple of different threads here. Now, these are basically divided into timelines. So if you're day trading, if you're swing trading, or if you're long-term or dividend investing, there's something or a chat thread in here that you can apply your analysis, your take, and you can get everybody else's opinion dependent on the time frame of your investing and how you like to invest. So if you're a dividend investor, go to the dividend thread and share your thoughts in here, ask your questions, see what other people think, because this is where it's going to be, and I totally support this. I also have a thread on here where I share most of my trades. Now, I do not share the price that I got in and the time that I got in and like, hey, here's an alert, get into this. I do not share it like that. I share my technical analysis. I tell people what stocks I'm looking at. I tell people when I'm getting in. I tell people the idea of why I'm getting in, but this is not a signal service, so I do not want you to treat it like that. All of these black charts here though are my charts, basically me sharing when I'm getting in and why I'm getting in based on the technical analysis. And so this is the goal here, is me sharing my knowledge and my analysis connect with the group, and that's what the Zach's Trade thread here is. And then within the group, we also have a lot of electric vehicle enthusiasts, so we did make a thread for that. And you can basically see, as you can see, I've got even Charlie's video in here that somebody shared, and my reply was all good. I watch his channel. Lol, he doesn't stop yelling. Charlie yells a lot, so that was a comment. But he has a phenomenal YouTube channel, and I totally encourage people sharing that in my thread as well. It's just another resource that can help everybody else trade. So there's a lot of different things in here, but the real value is in the general thread where people are asking questions, getting resources, and asking the community what they think of different trades, setups, and analysis. And then you can go into my trades. You can actually see what I'm trading. You can see my portfolio. You can see how I'm doing and why I'm doing it. And then you can also go into the different time frames. So if you're a day trader, jump in here and you can see how everybody else is doing at 9:30 in the morning. You can go to swing trading or long-term growth, and you can see what the conversations are around for those different time frames. So it is a phenomenal resource. And then again, I update the weekly watch list every single week, and I'm usually doing at least 1 or 2 company comparisons every single week. So when you download this, you get all of my fundamental and technical analysis. If you want to see any of that content, just take a look at my company comparisons playlist here on YouTube. And then the last thing that's kind of cool is, let's say you have a message for me or a question that you want to ask me, you can actually send me a direct message through Discord right here. I'll show you. You can see all of the people that I'm talking to right now, and it's really easy to just send me a quick DM. I'll get back to you with as much information as I can, and I definitely put a priority on anybody that's in my Discord chat compared to my emails or anything else like that. So lots of great resources in the Discord chat here, and whether you're a day trader, a swing trader, or long-term growth, there's something in here for you. I absolutely promise it will provide value. Okay, so now that you've seen what my Discord chat is, let's talk about what it is not. Number one is that this is not a signal service. I've had a couple of people sign up basically looking to know when I'm buying and selling things. That is not the right answer. I am buying warrants and I'm buying options and I am swing trading and I'm day trading sometimes. So what I do is definitely not the right answer for you 99.9% of the time. What I am trying to share with this is the reasons why I'm trading, the reasons why I'm making these executions, how I'm making these executions, and trying to provide you with a resource and a community that you can use to improve your trading. That is the goal here. It is not a signal service. It is a resource that you can use to improve your trading, to see how I'm trading, to see how other people are trading, and to see how other people are looking at the same stocks that you are. That is how you improve your trading. That's how you refine your strategy, and that's how you improve your returns. So that is the goal of the Discord chat. I promise there's no upsells in there. I give away my course for free pretty much on Skillshare. There's no upsells. I'm not trying to sell you anything. I don't have any fancy t-shirts. I don't have any merchandise. There's absolutely nothing else in there. And if you receive any spam in the group, please let me know and I will kick that person out. I do not want any spam or fluff or anybody trying to promote other random crap in there. And I don't need anybody's $5 that bad, so I will kick basically anybody out that kind of violates this. So this is the goal here. It's not a signal service. I'm trying to build a curated community of people that are focused on trading and trying to help everybody. That is the goal here. So just so we're clear on that. Now, the next step is, why did I start this? Well, there were a couple different people that have been following some of my videos and checking out what I was doing, and they commented, hey, you should start a Telegram group, you should do a Discord channel. And I'm thinking, like, these videos are kind of cool, but you can't make a video about absolutely everything, especially the small little trades. So if I'm going to be doing this work anyway, and I'm going to be analyzing these companies and I'm going to be making these trades, I might as well start a Discord chat where I can share that. And so that was the goal here, is that I want to share what I'm doing and why I'm doing it so that other people can understand it and improve their trading. And so far, I like to think that that has worked out pretty well. So these are just a couple of screenshots that I've taken from the actual people in the group. If you sign up for $5, you can search any of these and see that these are actual real people. You can see that the results are pretty good as well. So lots of people are doing extremely well. I'm super happy with it, and all of this is in the last month or two. So far I'm very happy and excited about how the Discord chat is going, and thank you to everybody that has signed up so far. I sincerely appreciate it. It is $5 a month, so it is not a big burden. It's cheaper than any software you'll get out there, and so far I like to think that it's providing a whole lot more than $5 per month worth of value. Now, if you are interested in signing up, there's two different ways that you can sign up. Number one is through the YouTube membership. There's a little join button next to the subscribe button when you see my channel or any of my videos. If you go here, there's three different options: a monthly subscriber for $2 a month, a Discord member for $5 per month, and a mentorship program for $50 per month. When you click on the $5 membership, you will be asked for your credit card. It'll charge you $5, and then this page will show up. So when you click on my channel, you can go to the membership, and this little link down here where it says Discord there in blue, that is actually the link that will get you into the chat. So when you sign up through YouTube, costs you $5. You get this link right away, and then you can join the chat, and you can basically get access to everything that I just showed you. Really, really exciting and easy to do. Now, YouTube is great. However, they take 30% of the money and 30% of the fees. So if you are willing to help me out and go that one extra step, you can definitely sign up through my website. It is zachhartley.com. I have a couple links on there where you can go to the watch list or the Discord group. It's super, super easy to find, and then all you do is go through the steps. You put in your credit card, you'll be charged on the exact same schedule, and then you will receive an email that looks like this, and when you download the file, it will give you access into the Discord chat, and you can start communicating and downloading as many of the resources as you want. The other thing is, if you don't get that email or you can't find it in your junk box, when you sign up for the Discord, you will also be able to create an account, and it will give you access to this download file under the downloads tab in your account, and you'll be able to access everything right here. It will give you a link to basically create your profile and access the chat. So there are two different ways you can do this. You can go through YouTube. You can also go through my website. If you go through my website, it will send you an email. It will also give you access through your account on my website, and you can basically access everything there. So if you have any questions at all, you can also email me at zhartley@hotmail.ca, and I will get back to you as soon as I can. Now, just a couple of closing notes on the Discord chat. You can cancel at any time. It will charge you on the day that you sign up, and then another month later on that same day, but you can cancel anytime. So if you don't like it, you've only lost $5. It's exactly what I showed you in this video, so I'm not surprising you. This is literally exactly as I filmed it on November 29th, so there's nothing else there. You do need to understand though that this is not a signal service. I do not share every single trade that I make. I do not want to be sharing my options and warrants trades with brand new traders, and so that is the reason why it's also a little bit of a liability. But the idea here is that I am trying to build a community. I'm trying to build a bunch of people that are interested in helping each other succeed so that they can build themselves up, get better returns, and basically join a community so they're not sitting at home alone by themselves all day. I want to build a network of people, and soon I want to grow it into something a little bit more. So if you guys get any value out of this video, please consider hitting that like and subscribe button. If you would like to sign up for my Discord chat, you can click that join button or head over to my website. It's the same thing basically on either side. You get the exact same product and the exact same service. It's just a link to join the Discord chat, and I would love to have you there. Thank you to everybody that has decided to sign up so far. Thank you to all of the early adopters, and thank you to anybody that has decided to join the YouTube memberships on any of the other tiers. I sincerely appreciate it, and good luck trading.